Wiggle those hands. Just, okay. So just stop now. Relax. Okay, now get him to give you his head a little bit. Wiggle those hands and then just lightly squeeze. Ask him to back. And sit back when you do. There. And when he does, kind of relax when he starts to take that step back. Good. Nice. Nice. Try for one more and then you can quit. Just keep wiggling. Yeah, let him figure it out. Got to figure it out. Okay. One more. There. That was good. Nice, Jamie. Okay, let's try it again the other way. Okay, now that's a kiss to lope. Just cluck to trot. A little squeeze, release. Nice. Nice. And then if you want, you can start doing little figure eights here, if you feel comfortable doing it. And then set him up for a stop when you feel like it.